And fate has nothing to do with it.
Going the wrong way.
Honk, honk.
If Juliet was stupid enough to fall for the enemy, drink a bottle of poison, and go to sleep in a mausoleum.
Mausoleum. Mausoleum.
Drink a bottle of poison and go to sleep in a mausoleum. Window washer fell from 5th floor scaffolding.
Scaffold. Scaffold.
Window washer fell from 5th floor scaffolding.
Unbelievable. Do you want to hear?
Somehow I believe you. Yeah, and get in there and palpate his abdomen.
Palpate. Palpate.
Yeah, and get in there and palpate his abdomen. You have acute cholecystitis, which means that your gallbladder may have to come out.
Gallbladder. Gallbladder.
Which means that your gallbladder may have to come out.
Derek, I've been looking for you.
Sal.
Girly. Girly.
Sal.
Oh, great. Just my luck.
Beak.
Beak. Beak.
Beak.
Get moving. Prophylactic surgery is extreme.
Prophylactic. Prophylactic.
Prophylactic surgery is extreme.
What's that other animal that's monogamous?
Monogamous. Monogamous.
What's that other animal that's monogamous? What's that other animal that's monogamous?
I think it's voles.
Oh, I know it's hard. I'm a pincushion.
Pincushion, pincushion.
Otters mate for life, you know.
Excuse me?
As do voles, I suppose.
Vole, vole.
As do voles, I suppose.
It's gonna take a second for the tube to fill.
I've always liked otters.
Otter. Otter.
I've always liked otters.
And yes, I'd love to be pregnant. I want a lot of things. I want to skydive. I'd like to learn Italian.
Skydive. Skydive.
Skydive. I'd like to learn Italian. Skydive. I'd like to learn Italian. I want to go to Saint-Tropez with my husband and lie topless on the beach.
Topless. Topless.
And lie topless on the beach.
So, you just gotta be mellow.
Yeah, I know
relax.
my date. George, how about you?
Oh, I have a schedule for the mastectomy.
Mastectomy. Mastectomy.
Oh, I have a schedule for the mastectomy.
Except when you chop off a hand, you don't kill your sex drive, have silicone breasts, get hot flashes, and lose your ability to bear children.
Silicone. Silicone.
Have silicone breasts, get hot flashes, and lose your ability to bear children.
Good. And what are we looking for in close triangle?
The cystic artery.
Cystic. Cystic.
The cystic artery.
Mr. Sorrento, when we removed your wife's gallbladder, we found that there were calcifications.
Calcification. Calcification.
We found that there were calcifications. The cancer appears to be advanced. There are palliative surgeries that we can do.
Palliative. Palliative.
There are palliative surgeries that we can do.
Should I send the sommelier over?
Sommelier. Sommelier.
Should I send the sommelier over?
Call 911.
He was having heartburn. I thought he was joking.
Heartburn. Heartburn.
He was having heartburn. I thought he was joking.
Ugh. Menopause, I know.
Menopause. Menopause.
Menopause, I know.
You look at everything in a skirt.
I'd look at you in a skirt. Short. Maybe something schoolgirl. Pleated.
Pleat. Pleat.
Maybe something schoolgirl. Pleated.
What man would willingly get rid of the part of his anatomy that makes him a man? This woman is having herself castrated.
Castrate. Castrate.
This woman is having herself castrated.
Can you see the echo from here?
The dissection isn't subtle.
Did you see that wingspan? And the pectus carinatum?
Wingspan. Wingspan.
Did you see that wingspan? And the pectus carinatum?
The dissection isn't subtle.
Did you see that wingspan? And the pectus carinatum?
What about his palate?
Palate. Palate.
What about his palate?
Really hurt. After all I've done for you. You're gifted and you're ungrateful, and that's all I'm saying.
Ungrateful. Ungrateful.
And that's all I'm saying.
I'm burning 3,000 calories a day. My legs are swollen. I've got indigestion and gas.
Indigestion. Indigestion.
I've got indigestion and gas.
We're going to Venice. We're getting in that gondola.
Gondola. Gondola.
We're getting in that gondola.
You know these are going to be next year's holiday cards. I want them to be immortalized before they're gone.
Immortalize. Immortalize.
I want them to be immortalized before they're gone.
And then their time passed. If they could have known that beforehand.
Beforehand. Beforehand.
If they could have known that beforehand. It's about putting down the poison in the dagger.
Dagger. Dagger.
It's about putting down the poison in the dagger.